This is financial advisor Patrick Monroe talking about how to buy extended warranties on appliances. Extended warranties on appliances are a cash profit center for appliance stores and retail chains. I think in today's day and time of technology increasing as it is, you should be very mindful of the cost that you would incur by basically purchasing extended warranties on appliances. Appliances really have built-in obsolescence, where after a period of time beyond the factory warranty, which is a standard 1-year factory warranty, the appliance will fail anyway. And by that time, you could possibly want to get the new version of the washing machine, the dryer, the vacuum cleaner, or whatever the case may be. These extended warranties can be very expensive, and I think that many times your money is better spent elsewhere. So it's important once you acquire the appliances, make sure they're kept in an orderly fashion and that you don't abuse that particular asset, and make sure that they're kept in good working order. That way you can avoid purchasing extended appliance warranties, which tend to be very expensive, and they are a cash profit center to the agency that's selling you the appliance. If you do get an extended warranty, make sure that there's toll-free support and that you can get a loaner many times if your unit is going to be away from you for a long period of time. This is Patrick Monroe talking about how to purchase extended warranties for appliances.